everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the touch interfaces in HCI. First of all, we will see brief introduction about the touch interfaces, how it has revolutionized. So, it was evolved considering our way of interacting with the technology. It provides us the intuitive and direct methods for having engagement with the devices. It allows users for the interaction with devices through physical touch. It enables more of the natural and engaging experience to the users. It has started its evolution from the simple resistive screens to the advanced capacitive touch displays. It has been recognized considering the multiple touch points, and it has been handled by the various set of gestures as well. Its scope lies in wide range of applications starting from the smartphones and tablets to the interactive kiosks and smart home devices. Now considering the discussion we have just now done about the touch interfaces, we can say that the various dimensions of touch interfaces will explore the variety of design principles and will serve the different variety of applications. Now we will see the evolution of touch technology starting from the resistive touch screen, which has required certain amount of pressure to register the input, and as the technology has advanced, it has led to the capacitive touch screens, which has emerged and allowed for the more responsive and multi-touch capabilities for its functionalities. Then there comes the introduction to the gesture recognition, which has enhanced the user interaction in more optimal way and has enabled the user to perform the complex command with simple hand movements. Now, when we have to consider the evolution of touch interfaces, as we have just now discussed, it will start with the introduction of the resistive touch screens. Then it has emerged with the use of capacitive touch screens, and in now in the digital era it has been mostly used in form of the gesture recognitions. Now we will focus on the variety of design principles for the touch interfaces. It deals with the affordance, feedback, accessibility, consistency and simplicity. We will consider their discussion in brief. When it comes for the affordance, it will highlight the visual impact. The elements should visually indicate their functionalities. They should consider the user interaction at the topmost preference. It should also always provide the immediate feedback based upon the touch enhancement, and it should increase the confidence and satisfaction for the users. It should be accessible and it should accommodate the various capabilities of the users and should be inclusive. It should maintain the consistent design languages which will help the users learn and navigate through the interface more efficiently and easily. It should consider the simplicity and should reduce the clutters and should focus on the essential functions which will improve the usability and the user experience. Now considering the set of design principles which just now we have discussed, the three important parameters which will have the high impact for the touch interfaces are the responsiveness, which will ensure the quick and accurate user interaction with the interface; clarity, which will provide the clear visual representation based on the user actions and its navigations; and accessibility, which will accommodate the users of all abilities, and it will consider the inclusion of the optimal design. Now, considering the sort of parameters we just now discussed, we are now focusing on the touch interfaces adoption, how it can be represented considering the SWOT analysis. It will focus on the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Strength for the touch interfaces adoption will be user-friendly technologies. The weakness will be the limited accessibility. The threat will be the rapid technological change. And the opportunity will be the industry expansion. Now we will discuss about the various instances or applications of touch interfaces. It will deal with the various fields ranging from the consumer electronics, automotives, healthcare, retail, education. We will see the instances for them one by one. For the consumer electronics, it will consider the smartphones, tablets, and smart watches, which will make the use of the touch technology. Then the automotive will consider the various vehicles with ease of navigation. Then in the entertainment as well as the vehicle controls. In healthcare, it will consider the various medical devices which will facilitate the quick extraction of data and the patient monitoring. In the retail, it will consider the interactive kiosks and will consider the point of sale systems which will help the end user have the efficient engagement and streamlining the transactions. In the education, it will consider the touch enabled devices in the classrooms which will help in promoting the interactive learning experiences for the students. Considering the various applications we just now discussed, diagrammatically it will be represented considering the domains varying from the consumer electronics to the automotive to the healthcare, retail, and the education. Now, considering the various applications, functionalities we have discussed, design principles about the touch interfaces, we can consider the various technological advancements in the touch interfaces, which will consider or focus on the components like intuitive interactions, engaging the user experiences, advancements in the technology, application enhancements, and design principles. Now, considering the discussion which we have done for the touch interfaces, here is a question for you all. Write down your responses in the chat box. You have to list out the various touch interfaces which focus on the recent trends. These are the various references which I have considered while preparing this video. Thank you all.